What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. You guys hear that? It's pretty quiet, right? Yeah, that's because we're in the new Tacoma. It's gonna be the first adventure with the 2021 TRD Off-Road 4x4. There's the color. It's nice getting average 18 to 20 mpg. It's so nice to get almost 20 mpg compared to the 2017 where I was getting like 15 mpg, and it's so quiet here. It's nice. But anyway, on this adventure we're heading to the Great Basin National Park, I believe. I get confused between great and big, but yeah, I think it's Great Basin National Park. Because we are celebrating our 11 years anniversary tomorrow, actually. So happy anniversary to us, I guess. Pat in the back. 11 years, that's pretty long. But the first stop we're gonna go is Cathedral Gorge State Park. So we've been seeing some cool picture of that state park for a while, and so we're gonna go there, hopefully find a campsite inside the state park possible. It's first come first serve. If not, there's so much public land out here, so if that's the case, there's a couple places I pinned where we can just you know, have a place to camp. But yeah, to check out the first state park and then make our way into the national park, so it should be fun. I would take you guys along, but this is the view of the Nevada desert at the moment. It's pretty cool. Nothing except Joshua trees and mountain range. But it should be another hour and a half before we hit the state park. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, we made it into Cathedral Gorge. Whew. Look at that truck. It's nice. That's pretty cool. So there we are. 20 bucks a night. No hookup. As long as you don't use a hookup, you're good. Per car, per vehicle for non-resident. But it's cool. A little close, I don't like, but at least we have a fire ring, and a bonfire, and have a picnic table. But yeah, we're gonna do some of these hiking trail. Some of this area right here, so right near our campground we can hike. But definitely starting to fill. It's maybe 2 or 3 campsite left, and we got one of the last few left. So all right, let's unload and then have some lunch. Nothing fancy, just a turkey sandwich. This is fancy though. Anyone try these Asian drink? Pretty good. It's like some type of jellies. 24 grams of sugar. That's what makes it so good. Grass jelly, that's what it is. When East meet West. All right. So we're right here. Trying to hit all this up. Do the 3 miles loop today. Maybe save this for tomorrow on the way out. This 6 mile
just too much. Just thought it'd be good. See everything we want to see. Literally is from there. It's nice camping next to all the trailheads. Alright guys, we're gonna do the Juniper Loop. We'll start over there and loop all the way on those section and head back to our campground. So it should be a good 4 miles total. This area is cool. There's a shower here too. Alright, let's go get some exercise and go see all these slot canyon caves and whatnot. That's pretty cool, guys. The formation definitely looked bigger on photos, but at least the one we see so far, it's about like 10-15 feet. The one right here in front of us. It's really neat though. I think once we go inside, I think it'll be pretty cool, but yeah, it's cool formation. Cathedral Gorge. So this is the next cool thing to see, is the cathedral slot. Apparently you can go in between all of it. So let's check it out, see if we can go in between it. Cathedral slot. Should be some type of sloth here. It's pretty neat. It does look fake, but it's real for show. Alright, this is pretty tight, but oh, somebody's here. I'm leaving. Yeah, on the way out? Okay, I'll give you space. That's pretty cool. There's a few little... Oh, so cool in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is neat. It's so cool. Oh, it was like 80 outside and it's like 65 in here. Oh, this is pretty neat. Oh, I can see why they say cathedral. Oh, I'll just end right here, this one.
Oh, this is so cool. It's just mud, huh?
Yeah, it's smooth.
Literally, it's just like hard mud.
Yeah. I don't know how this thing is built. Look at this.
It must be wind that goes down or something.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah. Alright. Tight squeeze.
You go sideways.
Yeah, you go sideways. Oh, it's pretty cool. Oh, opens out more stuff. Oh, that's pretty neat. Alright guys, so we finished with that cathedral area, cathedral slot. That was cool. See all the high, I don't know what they call, mud wall or mud mound or something, but it looks like almost like a temple in there, the way it's carved out. I'm assuming by the water. But it's pretty cool. So if you guys ever here, check out that cathedral slot area. So we're gonna continue hiking all the way over there and just check out this juniper loop. This reminds us a lot of Cathedral Valley in Utah, but we'll see once we get close how it is. But that's pretty cool. Not too hot right now in the 80s. Actually, good weather. Alright guys, I think we're done with this juniper loop. It's pretty cool, 4 miles. It's gorgeous. I mean, picture's not gonna do it justice. Like, even just see for yourself is the best way. But yeah, it's definitely cool. All the mud walls, and then the color as well. Just the lighting is kind of bad right now, but we did it in about an hour and a half, I think, 4 miles. So almost at our campground. We might just do a little drive before dinner and check out a few other spots, scenic spots. But check out this mountain right here. It's pretty cool. But yeah, definitely highly recommend you guys have about 2 hours to kill, do this trail. I think around sunset would have been really nice, but oh wow. Alright, let's continue to our campground. Alright guys, we're gonna go check out a few other easy like lookout point in this area and knock it all out today instead of going tomorrow morning. So yeah, let's check out some of the moon cave and a couple of lookout on the other side of the park. So this one's called a moon slot. I think it'll be very similar to the cathedral slot, but it's pretty neat. Sun's about to set, so actually another hour. I cast some cool shadows here. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's pretty neat.
One in it was like super.
Oh yeah.
Look how skinny this is.
Oh, tight squeeze.
Your feet have to go forward.
Yeah. Are you able to go all the way through or no?
Yeah. No, it stops right here.
Oh, does it? Alright guys, so we're at the Miller Point and Eagle View lookout. So you could hike into these, but I think the view from the top is best. So we're just gonna take a few pictures and look around here. But that's what we did. The Juniper Draw Trail, 4 miles loop. Started at the campground, went to the picnic area, did all that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, there's not a lot to see, and we just saw moon caves, saw the canyon caves, the cathedral caves, and all that. So we pretty much almost did everything within like 5 hours. But it's cool just to camp here and explore this area. This is a lookout right here. Yeah, I think it looks pretty cool just standing from up top here. A couple hikers. Oh, we actually see our campground all the way in the distance. So I guess you could hike all the way into a campground you want, but this is cool enough. So Lauren made it all the way down there. I'm just taking a picture right now. But yeah, it's a cool lookout for sure. So we are at Eagle Point. Actually, this overlook is really cool. We were down there looking up and we saw this bench. We're like, that has to be for something. And now we're on the top looking down. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, we are finished with this area. Eagle Point, Miller Point, all pretty cool, but yeah, it's cool for taking picture. Definitely during sunset is a pretty good time to take photos of this area. But yeah, we've pretty much seen all of Cathedral Gorge. The only trail we didn't do is the Hawk Loop Trail, I believe it's 6 miles. So that's too much for one day, but yeah, if you guys have half a day, I definitely recommend seeing this state park out. So we head back to camp right now. Maybe probably take a shower. It's nice having a hot shower here, and then get started with dinner. Looking forward to that. All right, let's do it. All right, well, shabu shabu again. We're trying a new camp stove we got from Walmart. It's 15 bucks. Got for a deal. It's portable for sure. It's nice. 15 bucks. That's a deal right there. Now I'm just getting the cabbage all nice and done. Get a peanut sauce. Some sesame oil. Got myself a beer. It's gonna be a good night. So we're doing a different broth today. We're gonna do tomato broth. In the past we do more like chili broth, but tomato broth tastes pretty good right now. Got my sauce ready. Of course my beer ready. Just waiting for this thing to boil, and then you dip that into there. Have yourself a good time.
Not bad. Didn't take too long.
Oh, look at that broth. Oh, mushroom, cabbage. Oh my gosh. Can't wait to get the meat in there. Join with your buddy. Get in there. Oh yeah. Little swimming action. That's about done, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Now that's a hot pot. You liking it? It's really good. When it's like 30 degrees outside, this hit the spot. Oh yeah. Maybe I'm getting old, but I can't finish 1 pound meat anymore. It's gonna make a noodle dish. And that's it for me. We'll save this for tomorrow. Maybe another day, but that broth is really good right now. All the meat juice. Alright guys, got a little bit of a dessert going. I got my green tea ready. And some biscuit. Sugar cookie? Butter cookie? One of those. Oh, so good. Next to the fire.